This is a second-hand KOBELCO SK55SRX hydraulic crawler excavator. The SK55SRX is equipped with the original Yanmar for TMV88 engine. The core components are all original. Mini excavators are flexible in operation, widely used in construction and farm. Power is 29.3 kilowatt. The bucket capacity is 0.1 cubic meters. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,260 kilograms. Boom side shift function, more flexible operation in a small space. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.